Hi and welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. In this video I'll be replacing battery on 2015 Chrysler 200 with 3.6 liter engine. This is gonna apply to Chrysler 200s made from 2015 and all the way up to 2017. So to start this job we'll have to open the hood. So the hood latch is located right here. Lift up the hood, locate your battery. So battery on this vehicle is located on driver's side right here. So to remove this battery we will have to remove two 10mm nuts from positive and negative cables, and also we'll have to remove this 10mm bolt from the battery holder. For this job I will be using ratchet with 10mm socket. You can just loose this one up a bit and then remove the battery, or you can remove it all the way, and actually that's the easier way to take out the battery and put new one inside. So I'm gonna pull it out. It's a long bolt, and remove this battery holder. Now at this point you can just pull out your battery. And now I'm gonna put brand new battery. Make sure it sits properly into the battery tray. After the battery is inside and it's properly seated, first I'm gonna put this battery holder back. Make sure you align it with a hole so you can put the screw inside. Now when the battery holder is back in place, I'm gonna put positive cable to the positive terminal of the battery. Make sure it sits all the way, and now I'm gonna tighten it up. Don't over tight it. There you go. And now next I'm gonna put the negative cable to the negative terminal of the battery. And I'm gonna tighten this one up as well. There we go. And this is how you replace a battery on 2015, 2016, 2017 Chrysler 200. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Bye.